What's up, traders? This is your boy, Market Director at Bull. This is Beer. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more content like this. So now, today I'm going to share my best 4 weekly analysis. We'll start with Gbpjpy. This is my first and the favorite one for this week. I'm going to trade Gbpjpy as I'm in the trade now as we speak. So now, what's happening on Gbpjpy, guys? Before we can talk more, and then we have to dissect how is the market bullish trend. Are we in a ranging market? Are we in a downtrend? So based on the analysis, based on the previous data, as you can check, normally I trade impulse and correction. So on Gbpjpy, I had the nice opportunities based on my strategies, impulse and correction with support and resistance. So as you can check here, we had a nice correction, then it was followed by impulse. Let me just change the color so that you can see. We had a nice correction, impulse, then correction, then impulse, then correction, then impulse, then correction, then impulse. So who can tell me what's happening? What's going to happen? Then we are in the correction. For sure, your answer is we are going to have the last push of the market, which is the last impulse. Then we will have correction, then impulse to complete the structure of the overall direction, which is on the resistance. So let's go and see what's happening on the lower time frame, especially. So meaning that in our mind, we can't trade, identify the higher, take the trade on how. So now take the trade where we want to exit time, but the overall buyers will end once we have touched our higher time frame resistance. So now let's focus on the current structure. As you can check, we have a nice bearish correction from the previous impulse. So you can check we have a touch here on the resistance. And then we have a touch here on the resistance. We have a touch here on the support. We have a touch here on the support. So this is nice, guys. So what we are waiting for, we're waiting for the last touch on the resistance. So then from the resistance, then that's where we're going to see. So meaning that we are about to complete this inner current correction. So we are waiting for the market to come to this level here. So we know that in our mind, so we won't make any mistake, we won't make any crucial mistake. So let's get structure. We have what? We have another structure inside the structure. As you can check here, we have a touch, we have a touch, we have a touch, which is our support. Then let's go to the resistance. Then you can check we have a touch here, and then we have a touch here, we have a touch here. Waiting for what? Waiting for the last touch here on the resistance. So now we are waiting for the market to come to here and here in overall, and then where else in the higher time frame resistance. So meaning that there is slim chances that Gbpjpy can go down because of they have to complete this 1, 2, and the higher time frame resistance. So there's a chance, the chances are slim for it to go down. Okay, so again, let me just show you something. Again, we have a bullish impulse. It was followed by a correction, and this correction was broken, and then it was retested, and then we are about to go impulsively to this level here, which is my take profit 2. The reason why it's my take profit 2 is because of I want when the market complete this structure, then I will exit. Even here I will exit, then I will hold one trade to complete on the higher time frame resistance, meaning that once the market touches any resistance within this 3 resistance, then that's going to be my exit point. So yeah, on Gbpjpy, guys, we don't sell, we are buying. And then if I can show you something on the weekly time frame, I know some people will say, hey, higher time frame, which is the daily time frame. I just want to show you the breakout happen here, where you see something like a breakout on the 4-hour time frame. This is not a breakout, guys. This is indecision. This is indecision, and then there's a lot of rejection sticks here, rejection candlesticks. So this is an indecision area. But when we go to 4-hour, you will see something like a breakout. That's not a breakout, guys. It's an indecision area. So for me, this is not yet broken, still in this line. So it's still in this current support or the current resistance. So if I use this as a support or it was a resistance, then I just want to show you another confirmation again. My another confirmation again is a breakout, then retest. Remember that I always tell you guys that a retest towards the support is a confirmation that the market will retest or the market will break. So if the market will break then or retest, then you have to have a bullish correction towards it because it will be retested with impulse. So now on this scenario, and then the moving average is also about to be broken. So GBP, guys, put it on our watch list. Then we can buy it now. Then put the stop loss on 160.721. Then take profit 162.624. Then take profit 2, which is 165.053. Then you can leave the rest to your higher time frame resistance. Then another currency pair, number 2 this week, is Euro CHF. Currency number 2 this week is Euro CHF. Remember, Euro CHF last week was on number 1, but now it's on number 2. There's a high probability resistance and then fall again. Because of what? Let me just show you something. I know some people will say, okay? I just want to show you the relationship. Before you trade, you have to check the relationship. How is the market moving, guys? How is, so you can talk too much. So now, how is the market moving on Euro CHF? For me, I will start here. You can see break the support, then retest it, then give you another impulse, then come back again for the second time. So I will say it's a 1, then it break the support and then retest, then give you impulse, then again come to this level, then it's that level here 1 again. It break the support, retest, and then give you impulse, and then what's going to happen? You have to retest here and then give us the impulse and then retest, and this one and this one and that one again. This is the relationship I just figured out on Euro CHF. So for us to be on the safe haven, on the safety for us to sell this currency pair, what we have to do, we have to wait for it to come to this level, which is 0.97000, and put your stop loss above this level. Then you can make sure you go all out for take profit at least 950000. So make sure that you prepare yourself the take profit, and then the entry, then the stop loss can be above here, above this box here. So it will come to this level and then go down again. As you can check, every time once it comes to for the second time, it goes down again. For the second time, it goes down again. So it comes from the first impulse, breakout, then retest, then impulse, then for the second time, it goes down again. Then from the first time, then impulse, from the second time, it goes down. From the first time, from the impulse, then from the second time, then it will go down. So watch out, guys. Make sure that you set your pending orders. You're about to sell Euro USD. This one you can go hard. You can go hard. You can go hard. You can go hard. Don't forget to comment, guys, to comment on the comment section so that we can know how are you feeling about the content that we are providing, the content that we are providing for you guys. Then my currency pair number 3 this week is Usdzar. USD. I only have a nice, clean and clear and obvious setup. I have a nice and clear setup. So we are in a bullish continuation. We are in a bullish continuation, waiting for the market to give us what? To give us the last impulsive phase of the market, which is the strategy that we are using. We are trading with impulse, and it gave us the correction and then the impulse. Then every time once we have the impulse, then we have to be followed by correction, then the last push of the impulse. So now we are on the breakout and retest of the current correction. So we are going to buy this because of what? Because of we have breakout and then a retest and then also retest of this level here. Then we will buy. Once we have any bullish candlestick or once we see any engulfing candle on the lower time frame, please guys buy and then put your stop loss 16.64948. Then you can hold your TP until we reach this level, which is around 17.6000. Okay, and then my last currency pair, if you reached until this far on the video, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and then share with your friends and family. We're going to make sure that we upload each and every day in the video. Even if it's one currency pair analysis, we are going to make sure that we keep the content running on the channel. So make sure you are prepared for us, then you will learn and do the right thing on your change your future. We are here to change your analysis. We are here to change everything, free courses, free everything. If you want to test it all out. upside, they will be there to assist you. So anyway, we'll make a video about that. But for now, let's focus on AUDCAD. AUDCAD, we sold in the VIP group today. We sold because of what? Because of this is currency analysis number 4 of the week. So we can sell AUDCAD. The reason why we sold is because of this current continuation. It was broken with impulse and then it was followed by a correction. So the very same scenario is going to happen again. We're going to have a breakout, then it was broken, then retest, then we'll have impulse going to the downside. Then this correction again, it was acting as a retest to this level here. That's why I placed my stop loss above it because of it was acting as a resistance. Now the support and then turning to a resistance, and then it was retested. Even the support here of this current structure, it was broken and retested. You can say it was retested several times. Now we are waiting for impulse to go to the downside. Okay. Thank you guys. If you reached until this far in the video, please don't forget to comment on the comment section. I will always be there. And tell me based on your analysis what's happening. And then yeah, thank you.